Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to Cooking with Chanh. Today, I'm happy to share with you guys my favorite sauce cooked with my favorite fish named Cobia. So, let's get started. First of all, I'm frying the fish in the oil for a bit until they get brown. Cobia is a really large fish. They could weigh from 37 kilos to 68 kilograms. See, I just have 2 slices and they already weighed 500 grams. And now I'm making the sauce from passion fruit. First, I will remove the passion fruit into the bowl and I'll add the warm water. I want to get about 300 milliliters passion fruit juice. Now I mix them together and leave them here for a little bit. Now I can turn the fish to the other side. While waiting, I'm peeling off the skin of the purple onions. Since they're a bit dusty, so I'll wash them now. And then I cut them into slices. Fish is done. You can see they're really big, huh? Time to filter the seeds from the passion fruit. Look at that natural yellow color. I love it. So I add a little bit more water to get enough 300 milliliters in total. Now I'm adding some oil and frying the purple onions until they get brown. Then I add the juice into the pan. I always feel really lucky with the tropical weather we have, since we have a lot of different kinds of fruits that we don't only use for eating, but we also use them a lot for cooking. And I add some sugar and fish sauce and soya sauce. It's totally up to your taste, how sweet, how sour, how salty you want. And we just cook until all of the sauce soaked into the fish. Here you go, it's done. It takes probably around 15 to 20 minutes for cooking. I add some mint, some salad, some black pepper, and some chili. It's the best to eat with steamed rice. So now enjoy. Thank you for watching my video and hope you'll be successful cooking this dish. See ya!